Good morning. Today's date is Wednesday, June 3rd, 2020. We're here to open bids for bid number 3130, Capital City Site Drainage and Foundation Repair. The architect is Duval Decker. Roy Decker will be opening the bids. We have 2 paper bids and 2 digital bids. We can begin.
All right, thank you, Lena, thank you. All right, our first bid is from Morant and Associates. I'm downloading now. Download. We have a bid from Morant and Associates LLC, signed John McElwain. Surety in the amount of 5% of the bid is provided by North American Specialty Insurance Company. Verification that the firm has made good faith efforts to obtain MBE and WBE participation. They are a women-owned business. They acknowledge addendum 1, 2, and 3. Base bid is $151,750. 151,750. Days to complete 90. All right, hang on just one second. Bid bond is in here, and resume. So all intact. I didn't read that number. They do have it, I saw it, and I went right past it, I'm sorry. Certificate of Responsibility 11644-MC, in good standing. Okay, second bidder, R&L Limited LLC. Downloading. R&L Limited LLC, signed. Managing partner, certificate of responsibility number 23048-MC, in good standing. Bidder acknowledges they've made good faith efforts to obtain MBE and WBE participation. They acknowledge addendum 1, 2, and 3. I missed the bid bond, hold on. Bid bond is present from Liberty Mutual Surety. Addendums 1, 2, and 3 are acknowledged. Base bid, $192,680. 192,680, 90 days. Okay. And we have 2 in-person bids, 2 envelopes. First one is from Heritage Civil and Utility Contractors Incorporated. Certificate of Responsibility 23622-MC, received on time. Contractor has obtained MBE participants. acknowledges addendum 1, 2, and 3. I am not seeing a bid bond. Hang on. I do not see a bid bond. Base bid is $174,995. Days bid 60 days. I do not see a bid bond. Second in-person bidder, fourth bidder, from J&A Excavating. Certificate of Responsibility number 23299-SC. Contractor provided the entire spec book. Hang on. Bid bond is present from Nationwide Mutual Insurance Company, in the amount of 5% of the bid. Bid is signed. This is a woman-owned business. Bidder acknowledges that they have not made a good faith effort, I think because they're a women-owned business. Maybe. Addendums number 1, 2, and 3 are acknowledged. Base bid $158,345.25. 45 days bid time. And that concludes our 4 bidders. Bids will be taken under advisement, analyzed, and the low bidder will be notified upon the JPS acceptance of the bid and the board action.
Yes, thank you. That concludes our bid opening.